Man, the coffee's good. Today, I'm going to be installing a brand new shift linkage on the Road Glide. So this is the shift linkage I'm going to replace. I don't like the way it looks. It's OEM. So I ordered one that's black, and it's going to look nicer than that. This should be a simple job. So let's see how it goes. So using a 7/16 wrench, I'm going to loosen this nut and get it off of the transmission linkage. It'll be tight because there is Loctite on these threads. Now we're going to loosen the opposite side where the heel toe shifter attaches. And that's going to be a 1/2 inch and a 7/16. And then you're going to use the 7/16 on the back nut to hold it. And then that should just slide right out from the bracket. So this is the new piece that I bought. I got this on Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. And I think it's going to be a really nice upgrade compared to the original OEM linkage. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put one, get it started on one side. Get the other one started on the other side. You can see this is a little different, right? You can see that there's a bearing on these. And with these, the bolts go right through, and it goes into the shift linkage on that side. And the opposite side, it's going to be the same thing. The bolt's going to go through, and then the nut will attach to it on the opposite side. So what I'm going to do at this point is we're just going to line this up so it matches what I have here. So I'm just making sure that the length's the same. And I think that looks good. I think that looks good, right? That matches up with that, and that matches up with that. So yeah, I think we're good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna lock these in by hand. We're not gonna do much more than that. Later on, we'll tighten it. So first thing I'm gonna do, because this is an aftermarket piece, I'm gonna make sure that this bolt fits in there properly. Oh, there goes my bolt. Oh, snap. Oh boy. So like I was saying before I dropped the bolt, I'm gonna make sure this properly fits on there before I do anything else. And that seems okay. Yeah, that seems good. So I'm gonna put red Loctite on these because I do not want this coming apart as I'm going down the road. Okay, let's put that in. Get that started. All right, I'm not gonna tighten that down just yet. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Now this side, go ahead and take this off. Let's see how it fits on here. And that does look good. So I'm gonna put red Loctite. Put the old washer on. And the nut. So using a 1/2 inch wrench, 5/16 wrench, 12 point. I'm gonna go tighten the front linkage. Make sure it's good and tight. You don't want this slipping off as you're going down the road. Position the name of the rod right about in the center. Now I'm going to tighten the lock nut. Okay. All right. Now let's see. It's about where I wanted it. I'm going to tighten this side. Last thing I need to do is to tighten that rear linkage on the rod. Give it a good snug. Check everything. Make sure it's working properly. You can see there's a lot of play in here. So far, I think that's okay, the way it is. But eventually, I'm gonna have to replace this bush in here. Since we're in here, this is a good time to make sure that this linkage here and this piece here is in tight. So using a 3/16 with your 3/8 ratchet, just make sure it's snug. There is a torque spec on this, but I don't need to look it up. Yep, nice and tight. Everything looks good. To be honest, I think that shift linkage looks pretty nice. It completes the side of the engine, I think. From my experience, the OEM shift linkage, these I believe should be replaced, man, I'll say every 30,000 miles. What happens is they wear out inside here, the ball wears out, and eventually they fall off. And I was on a trip one year. I went up to Vermont, and actually that's what happened to me. I had some wire and I had some zip ties, and I actually zip tied this together, and it held till I got to Harley Davidson. I was able to purchase a new one. So a little FYI. So that was an easy job to do. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description area for that piece that I bought if you guys are interested in it. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. As usual, I'll get to them as soon as I can. Stay safe, and God bless you.